The Sierra Business Council, in partnership with the Switches On campaign, has provided local contractors with hands-on training to lead the transition to electric solutions for homeowners and business owners in the Truckee Tahoe region.
One of the purposes of this program is to help contractors jump on the bandwagon so that they are ready to do these heat pump retrofits and installations as this movement's coming down the pipeline and more homeowners and business owners are asking for this retrofit and this upgrade.
You know, I think as a contractor, it's always difficult to try and learn new things. But the reality is that this is the future. This is where everything is moving right now. And you can either be in the driving seat or you can miss the bus.
I think this training has been really informative. It's very detailed, and it's coming from the experience of a guy that's been doing it for decades.
So we did a training today for the Sierra Business Council, and it was great, actually. The contractors that came are already thinking about this.
Yeah, the training's great. It gives us the ability to understand the equipment that we're installing, the right methods to install them effectively and efficiently, and then have the equipment perform the way that it's sold to the end user.
The limit is 0.5, and you want to put on another machine with a less powerful blower, you're going to have low airflow.
This specialized training program has equipped contractors with the skills to install modern electric appliances, like heat pumps for heating, cooling, and water heating, which is key to improving home comfort, reducing energy use, and transitioning to climate-friendly solutions.
But what's happening now is everybody's talking about it. Most of our clients want to or need to go towards this direction because of what the codes are doing and the popularity of the idea of heat pumps. So I'm trying to educate myself so that I can help make my clients happy.
Heat pumps have been outselling traditional gas furnaces in the U.S. for the last 2 years by over 20%. So it's here to stay, it's sticking around. People are going to want these in their homes, they're going to want them in their businesses.
The training focused on unique challenges in areas like Truckee Tahoe, where harsh winters can make standard installations more difficult. Contractors will learn how to install and adapt heat pump systems for increased efficiency in normal and extreme conditions.
We can buy much higher efficiency cold climate heat pumps, and they are by design intended to work well in cold climate, so they'll be rated to provide their full capacity down to like negative 15 degrees.
The benefits of contractors going through this program is that, one, they'll be able to complete retrofits of heat pumps, so it'll be a new skill that they'll build their business for. Two, they'll be able to link up with our electrification coaching program, where we're going to pair up and work with home and business owners and connect them to contractors who have completed the program. Three, we'll be able to provide them a free 1-year subscription to Resolve Rebates, which will help contractors easily access all the rebates and incentives that are available to them for performing heat pump retrofits. We will help contractors move through the process to enroll in the Switches On, as well as become tech certified.
Whether you're a building contractor, an electrical contractor, HVAC contractor, or plumbing contractor, there's little pieces that each of us can kind of get to get a better idea of how we can better support our customers.
For more information about the Climate Transformation Alliance training program and to sign up, please visit climatetransformationalliance.org/buildingdecarb.